It's about time I crack open a few Steve Weisers and get myself a real scale rig. Oh, hell yeah! What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is doing well. As you can see, I got myself another new rig. So I really been kind of on this scale kind of kick lately. I'm in a new area, new terrain. I don't have the super big rocks and lines and unlimited terrain that I had. And I have always kind of wanted to be super scale. But to be honest with you, it's really hard if you're going for ultimate realism. You definitely need a hardbody platform if you want that real scale kind of look, and you're gonna want, you know, something like this that you see here. This is a Rc 4-wheel drive leaf sprung truck, super scale realism. It's just not super high performance, but I know that, and I am venturing into a new segment of the hobby, I guess. So let's get right into it. Now, if you pay attention to what Stone Cold is telling you, you'd understand that if you want to be scale, you gotta have a hard body. All right, here we go. So, as you can see, went with the Rc 4-wheel drive to go down this new path here into scale realism. Was looking at a few of the rigs kind of in this same category, I guess. There's like the Marty McFly black one. That's like a $700 price point. Not sure really why. They are all TF2s. You got the Marlin crawler. I think that has those really low gear transmission. I'm not 100% sure at all the ins and outs, but I went with the 4Runner. You can take the top on and off. The looks are pretty solid. Just kind of, I thought with the lower price point, it seemed to attract me a little bit more. Obviously the price is better, but I like that you can take the top on and off. And a lot of people kind of have done the Marty McFly thing, so I'd have to modify that right away to kind of get away from that, because I don't know, it's just not something that really interests me. Dig the movie, actually have the NECA figures, but not really into doing that with RC. I am more interested in getting what I already use, my action figures that I use already, with the features this has, with the popping hood, open doors, all that stuff. Super excited to have that kind of in RC form now. So it is pretty wild, but enough looking at this box. I'm definitely ready to crack it open and start looking at this. I've looked at these things definitely in stores, what have you, but there's really no replacement for having something that's your own and on your own bench, and it really helps you, like, you know, get a sense of what you really purchased or want to purchase when you have it, you know, whatever. So let's cut that factory seal, baby. Oh yeah, factory seal, sliced. So let's get this open. I know there's like quite a bit of different things here. That's kind of why I wanted to do this nice long form video here and just kind of go through. In case you are not familiar with these, we'll go through the adventure together. So this bag looks like it's got your battery and all of that stuff in this bag yet. Double A's, it's full, ready to run. Nickel metal, which is, see you later. Really funny to me. I'm assuming this is the radio. Never had a truck that ran that, so that's interesting. Yep, so I will show this real quick, but I already got plans to swap this out. My other radio that I just decided to start using will be here. And I'm not gonna go with this big clunker. Look at the size of that thing. Look at it, it's a meat patty. Look at this bad boy. Hey, at least it's got a foam wheel. That's a plus. My Red Cat didn't come with a foam wheel. I was pretty disappointed, but yeah. Just, yeah, no thrills. See you later. All right, what do we got here? Okay, I got two boxes. Oh, and of course, as I pull both are kind of coming out at the same time. Not what I wanted. Oh, let's try to pull on this one. Yep. Oh, you hooker. Okay. We'll take both at the same time. Don't want to throw this, so we're gonna put this over here, all nice, out of the way. So this looks like the body. This looks like the truck. So I'm gonna put the truck here. Start with the body. Looks like it's upside down, so. Okay, it's kind of, yeah, there we go. I'm just gonna go with it like that, I guess. Bang, bang, boom. All right, another slide action. Woo. Okay, what else do we got in here? Just foam, nothing extra, so that's cool. Out of the way, see you later. Woo, tons of plastic. Okay, wow. Oh yeah, baby. I'm just hoping it survives shipping, so, you know, I did want to give it a look. We got a couple other pieces. Like I said, part of why I want to do this video is because there's a lot of stuff that goes along with this. So, kind of wanted to show it all. So here we go. Just get this right off. Usually I kind of wait, but let's just look at this bad boy. I mean, really, this is why I got it. I mean, these trucks are wildly scaled. Let's turn it around for you. Woo, lordy. Yeah, baby, that looks phenomenal, huh? What do you think? So I know stuff opens on it, and I'm looking forward to that. So I did watch a video. You're supposed to kind of push forward, then lift up. Oh yeah, like that. And that hood will come right up. I think it goes higher. We can go higher. Let's see. There we go, yeah. The more you pull it out, the more it goes up. And then it even has, ta-da, check this out. Sorry, I did that facing away from you. But it's even got the prop. Now, I thought I was watching some videos and I saw that they didn't have the prop. So I was a little confused, but I think that is the 4Runner set. This is like the newer version here. It's been out for a little while, right? I got rubber mirrors here, which are nice. So you don't have to worry about losing them. Trying to figure out how to pop this door open here, but you know, I'm very nervous about all that stuff because there we go. You just have to kind of yard on it a little bit. There you go. Haven't done any of that. So the door's open, but it looks like, you know, they don't go real far. I did see, I think, yeah, see the stickers aren't cut, so that's why I couldn't really open the door. So I'm gonna have to take a hobby knife and cut those stickers, so I can't really open the door. But yeah, it definitely feels very nice, but pretty brittle all at the same time. So, you know, how many times are you gonna be able to open this hood and close it, and yikes, you know? So just little things to think of when you start kind of messing around with it. Oh yeah, there's the gate down. So I'm probably gonna wind up taking the topper off. I dig it, it's definitely cool. It's just a few screws that hold that piece on. I really like the pickups. I like having stuff right in the back, and it does have a roll bar in there already. So I just think that's so cool. I got a nice blank slate. I'm gonna start looking at interiors, figuring out how to detail it up, but wow, I mean, I'll get some B-roll footage the best I can of the inside of this thing, but what an absolute stunner. I mean, like a working tailgate, how cool is that? That is just amazing. Wow. If you don't have yourself a nice hard body rig, I might just have to open up a can of whoop ass on you. And let's get the chassis out. Now this is so excited. Nothing like a new RC truck. Just shredding boxes. Oh yeah, baby. Woo! Woo! Here she is, fellas. All right, we got the book with a bumper. Oh, all right, comes with a nice bumper in there. Oh yeah. Ugh. Okay. All right, here it is, all out. Look at that. Beautiful, brand new RC four-wheel drive rig. Crazy, these trucks. Zip tied through. The servo is not on, not connected, so I'm not sure why. Oh, okay, that must be if you want to bolt something else on there. That C-hub doesn't, it has a piece on there too, but that's the main one, okay? That's weird. Here's the ESC, and yeah, it's pretty easy to put it in LiPo mode. I'm probably just gonna run one of my LiPos on it. Wow, really, really stiff. I know, I've been watching videos. I'm gonna do all the, you know, basic things that people do to get more flex out of these, but again, like, I understand, like, it's not meant to be the ultimate performing rig. I know I will be able to get it to perform good for what they are. That's the goal. I really want to get some nice scale footage. I'd like to get other ones to go with this. I'd like to paint this, but it does look so good. It's an interesting road to travel down because these trucks are not super capable compared to what I'm used to driving, but I'm also not much of a builder, so it's like, how much will I really do besides the regular mods? I'm trying to get more into it, but let's crack this book open and see what else we get. This is pretty strange here. I didn't know it came with this bumper. Oh, it is plastic though. Okay. So I don't know why you'd want to run that. Oh yeah, I remember seeing that in one of the videos. Okay, and then that's that piece. And we got a battery strap. Some screws, it's probably for the servo there. And then your manual, which I'm gonna need because I don't know this truck yet. So that's everything. Let me get this body on for you. Let's just take a quick peek. Let me tell you how quick this goes on. So I got these pins holding that piece on. Oh, okay. So this is how things screw in. Maybe you don't need that. I don't know why that's on there. So the screws go into there. So maybe it's if you want to mount something else. So you have to keep these little body pins in right here. Bing, bang, boom. If you think the ultimate scale truck has to have a hard body, give me a hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah. All right, got the body all on it. Just took a second. First time doing it. Super easy. It's just 2 screws, but trying to line them up, and I'm very afraid with this body. So again, let's just kind of show everything. I went ahead and I did cut the sticker here. So now look at that. You get a really nice range of motion. Pull that forward, down, and then up. It just doesn't want to go up anymore. I guess that's it. That's as far up as it goes. I thought maybe it'd go all the way up there. So don't try to do that because you'll break it off. But there it is. Look at that. Beautiful detailed engine. I forgot all about that. I wasn't even looking. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Can detail that all up if I want, but there it is. So let me spin you around. Let's see if my favorite guy, my Austin figure, fits in there. Let's see. I've been seeing people with some great figures getting things in, some trucks here. So let's see what happens. Oh, don't want to lose his beer. So this is just under, this is around a 6-inch figure. I see some people, oh, already broke the wheel off. It's all right, I think it just pops on and off. Trying to get him in, I couldn't clear the wheel. Okay, there we go. Take his hat off. So, yeah, I'm not sure how people are getting some figures that I do see them with in there. I might have to do some modding to get them in there, or some more messing around. Let's see, definitely. Yeah, it's rather large. So whatever, I'm gonna have to mess around with that. But I can't believe I got working doors, working hood, wipers, non-working, steering wheel, broken. If you think you're not scale till you have a leaf spring truck, give me a hell yeah. Oh, hell yeah.